We bought this home 8 years ago. The home was originally built in 1970. There was some work already done to the home prior to us purchasing it. They did an extension, adding a master bedroom and a master bath. So our master shower was a sore point in our home for quite a while. So we had kind of the traditional tile and grout design to the shower when we bought the home. We had a previous home where it also had the traditional tile and grout design, and learned that that material doesn't withstand the test of time and requires a lot of maintenance. So obviously had lots of familiarity with Kohler, having my brother work for Kohler for years, and we've never been disappointed with Kohler. Kohler's always been just a solid company, and all the products that we've gotten through the years from Kohler have been top-notch. And it's been a great company for him to work for. It's been great for his family. So it felt like a natural thing to go with that product for the bath design, and we've been very happy. We found HomePride by essentially it was an internet search. We looked at a bunch of the different companies that were available online. We looked at the different reputations of the companies.
Stacey came out and did lots of measurements and had all the, I don't know if you call it a portfolio, or all the examples, kind of went through the price points of different options that we had. The estimate, and that it would take 1 to 2 days installation, and all the pros and cons. And he said it would take about 3 months to get the actual product in, all of it. And that was pretty accurate. It took about 3 months from when we signed up to when it was installed.
Right about 2.5 to 3 months after receiving that go-ahead, we were contacted by HomePride, and they said that they could set up an installation date. Was really quite impressed with once the product was in, the installation date came pretty quickly. The day of, Kirk, who was our installation guy, called us ahead of time, told us what time he was going to show up. He showed up exactly when he was supposed to be there. And honestly was just very easy to work with. I love the fact that kind of the process to seal the shower and the installation process kind of really creates a sealed space.
We chose the wall, the one singular wall, as opposed to the tile with a little bit of depth. And then we chose the bottom with a little bit of the bottom shower pan, I guess it is, with a little bit of, it's got some glitter in it just to make it accent pop out a little bit more.
The walls are very clean, non-porous, easy to clean, and been very happy. The shower head, the dial, the regulation, temperature regulation, the door, the products have all been great.
One of the factors choosing HomePride and Kohler was also the financial aspect, and we had the opportunity to do a certain amount of it down payment, but then 0% interest for a year. So, and then we can pay it off early without having any penalties. So that was also a big factor.
I guess I'd just like to say thanks to HomePride and to Stacey, who originally came out to meet us, and Kirk, who did the installation. Just the overall process exceeded our expectations.